already recorded that. Okay. So now write areas of a sector and segment of a circle. Next section. Hey, your camera is, what's the problem? Like, very clear for me. Camera is clear now? Yeah, I think others check here net. Areas of a sector, areas of a sector, areas of a sector, areas of a sector and segment of a circle. Segment of a circle. Now camera problem. Okay. Yeah, I will correct that one. Okay. Okay. Area, listen, area of a sector and segment of a circle. Okay, just wait, it will be clear now. Listen. The sector. Look. This is the sector. A, O, B. Okay, this called sector. You can say, if draw a figure, this is called a minor sector. Minor sector. Okay. Sector means a part of a circle part. Okay. Draw figure. Heading. Heading is area of sector, and segment of a circle. Area of sector and segment of a circle. Okay. So first draw this figure. Then write minor sector. A minor sector. That means a sector means a portion of a circular part. Radius and this one. This is called sector. Okay. Now, this part. Look, this part. This is called major sector. That is major sector. You write major sector. Major sector. The shorter one is minor sector. The next one is major sector. Major sector. Okay, major sector. Okay, then this one, what do you call this one? Only this one. Okay, this part, what do you call? Any idea? Segment. It is called minor segment. It is called minor segment, right? Minor segment. Minor segment. Okay. This part, major segment. You write major segment. Major segment. Okay. Okay. Here, minor segment, major segment. Okay. Clear now? Okay. If it is just listen, if it is just saying, if just saying sector means that is called minor only. Understood? No. Just sector means minor only. The segment is minor segment only. Okay. Major, the clearly specify it. Okay. Okay. So now look at here. You understood which is the sector, which is the minor sector, minor segment, major segment. Okay. Now we have to find out area of a sector. Sector means minor only. Okay. You have to find out the area of a sector. Okay. This area. this area you have to find out. Okay. Okay, listen here. What? If more than two sector, that also sector. Sector means a part only, section. You mean this one, right? Like this. Here, two sector is the. Okay. Understood? A sector means you can cut a part. That's only. If it's a bigger one, minor. Bigger one, major, and smaller one is minor. That's only meaning. Okay. Suppose a disc we cut. With scissors we cut, and we can cut like this. Okay. Okay. Now area of a sector. Listen, area of a sector. Some books maybe you can find many other formulas and only. Yeah, semicircle also sector. Semicircle also sector. Okay. Clear? No. Semicircle also sector. Semicircle the full no. Sector. Sector actually meaning is what? A portion of the circular region. Okay. Sector means a portion of the circular region. Okay, listen. Suppose circular region means what? Listen here. Aksha, listen here. Circular region means circle and interior part. This is called circular region. Okay. This is called circular region. In that, one part we are taken, including radius. Okay. The portion of a circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. Understood? No. Listen. Hey, listen. Don't ask me now. The portion of the listen. The portion sector means. I thought you know the definition. So you can write that one. Write that definition. Sector. Okay. Now write. Inaya, if it is divided into two, then we cannot say major no. Okay, it is both are same. A scale 30 centimeter scale, you cut into two equal part, then we cannot say which is major, right? Same effect only. Okay, write the definition of sector. The portion of the circular region. The portion of the circular region enclosed by two radii, and the corresponding arc. The corresponding arc is called a sector. Okay, that means the portion of the circular region. Okay, the portion of the circular region enclosed by two radii and the corresponding arc. That means OA plus OB plus arc AB plus this one. That is called sector. Accordingly, semicircle is satisfied. This one, radius 1, radius 2, arc and interior part. Clear now? As per the definition, what? The definition is what? A portion of the circular region, a portion of the circular region enclosed by two radii and corresponding arc. That is called the sector. Okay, circular region means circle plus interior part. Circular region. Suppose I thought you have idea about this one. Okay, look, if you are all shaded, this is called circular region. Like triangular region. Last year you learned. Triangular region means, no, you didn't learn because area chapter. Triangular region means triangle plus. I told you already, Freisner, just listen. Semicircle also segment only. Okay, listen. Look. Listen here. Triangular region means a triangle plus interior part. That is called triangular region. Okay, it's a quantity. It's called area. That included part is called area. Like that, triangle plus interior part, that is called triangular region. Rectangle plus interior part, that is called rectangular region. Circle plus interior, that is called, suppose a point, this point P outside, this point Q inside, this is R on the circle, like that. Circular region means a circle and interior part, that is called circular region. Okay, in the circular region, a portion enclosed by two radii and corresponding arc, that is called a sector. I hope now understood sector. Okay, if it is chota one, we say minor sector. Minor, what is the meaning? Chota. Okay, if it's a bigger one, it is called major. That's only. Here is minor, this one is major. But normally, if it is a sector, means minor only. Major, they specify clearly. Okay. Okay, like that. Segment. Segment means what? Okay, write that one. Segment. Okay. Segment means it's a part of a circle only. That's a segment means a minor segment means there will be an arc, there will be a chord. This part is called segment. Okay. Because I shaded this part is called minor segment. This one is called major segment. Okay, semicircle also segment. Okay, because chord and plus circular region. Okay, now now we have to find out the this chapter. We have to learn how to find the area. Okay, there are many formulas available in the other books, like many items available in the market, but don't use that all. You use only your reader formulas only. Okay, don't follow other formulas and all. Okay. Okay, so area of a sector formula, right? You write this one, area of a sector. Area of a sector equal to pi r square theta by 360. Pi r square theta by 360. Pi r square theta by 360. Theta means, okay, right, theta. Pi r square theta by 360. Okay, theta is this angle, in between angle. Is theta. R is radius. These are ready-made formulas. You don't want to learn the derivations. Okay, pi r square theta by 360. Okay, from area of the sector, pi r square theta by 360. Pi r square theta by 360. Okay, theta means the angle. If it is 180, pi r 180 means what will you get? Pi r square by 2. Correct or no? Right? Hey, come on. If it is like this, you ask no the minor sector. Look, what is the area? What is the angle here? Angle is 180. So what happened? Pi r square into 180 by 360. Half circle pi r square by 2. Correct or no? Fastener. Clear now? Because if it is semicircle, correct area pi r square theta by 2. Right? Fastener. Okay. So now you write this formula. Area of the sector is pi r square theta by 360. Now, one more formula you have to learn in this, that is called arc length. Arc length. Arc length AB, that is pi r theta by 180. 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 What full, what do you want? Okay, path two formulas I told you. One is area of a sector. Okay, path. Two formulas on that only important thing. Area of a sector equal to pi r square theta by 360. Second one, arc length. This length pi r theta by 180. You by heard that. Area of a sector is pi r square theta by 360, and area of an arc length is pi r theta by 180. Okay, pi r theta by 180. Okay, clear now? Okay, so now write the question. So here this year our reader there are three angles you have to learn: 30, 60, 90 and 120. But as for the new syllabus, new syllabus 120 is dropped. Theta means angle, man. Who asked that? Shilas. Theta means angle. Look, for example, look at here. Look, for example, this angle 60. For example, this angle is 60. Listen here. Look, this angle 60. So what? Pi r square into 60 by 360. Okay, that's only meaning. Okay. So when we finish the when you start the question, we can understand. Okay. Right. Write the question. Find the area of a sector. 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 Find the area of a sector of radius 28 of radius. Find the area of a sector of a circle of radius 28 centimeter. Find the area of a sector of a circle of radius 28 centimeter and center angle is 45 degree. Center angle is 45 degree. Center angle is 45 degree. Okay. Question again. Listen. Find the area of a sector. Find the area of a sector of a circle of radius 28 centimeter and center angle 45 degree. Okay. Find the area of a sector. First you write formula. Area pi r square theta by 360. Pi 22 by 7 because they didn't say anything about pi. 22 by 7 into r is how much? 28. 28 into theta 45 divided by 360. Okay, you find out that. Simple. Okay. 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 Oh, who this one? Freisner. What are you writing, man? Come on. Freisner. What a calculation you did. 308. Who all made mistake this one? 308. Navaneet. What is this 1640? Srikumaran. How come 693? Okay. 308. We can cancel now. Look. This one 4. Here 90. This one 2. 11. Simple. Finally 11 into 28 only. Correct now? Okay. Okay. So finish now. So this who all made mistakes, check it your calculation. Okay. Mega, finish. Megan. Mansui. Okay. Danish. Okay. Who all got vaccine already? This batch. Anybody got vaccine? Tomorrow. I think tomorrow, majority tomorrow, students are getting tomorrow. All together. Come on. You're going a batch. Where in Mishref? Okay. I think all the schools tomorrow only all. Okay. Okay. You didn't get message. No, you'll get now because per day now 1 lakh vaccine is okay. So next question. Next. Right. A sector is cut from a circle of radius. A circle is cut. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 centimeter. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Okay. The angle of the sector is 150 degree. The angle of the sector is 150 degree. Angle of the sector is 150 degree. Find the length of the arc and area. Find the length of the arc and area. Okay. This angle is 150. Radius is 21. You have to find out arc length and area. Arc length and area. Okay. Question. In a circle, others. A sector is cut from a circle of radius. A sector is cut from a circle of radius 21 centimeter. The angle of the sector is 150 degree. Find the area and arc length. Find the area and arc length. Clear now? Okay. Okay. Okay, finish. How much you got? The arc length is 50. Arc length is okay. Arc length pi r theta by 180. 22 by 7 into R is 21 into theta 150 divided by 180. You got that answer. I think it will be 55. Then you find out pi r square theta by 360. Find both. Find both. Area is what? How much area? Area is 577.5. 577.5. Corrected area. Hello. Area is 577.5. Okay. Yes. Okay, next question. Is it okay or next one is star question? Okay. Next one is star one. The short and long hand of it. Finish all? Hello. Are you finished or not? Okay, right. The short hand and long hands of a clock. The short hand, a star question. A short hand and long hand of a clock. Short hand and long hand of a clock. Short hand and long hand of a clock. Short hand and long hand of a clock are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Short hand and long hand of a clock are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Short hand and long hand of a clock are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Clear now? Question first clear? Okay. Find the sum of the distance. Find the sum of the distance traveled by the tips. Find the sum of the distance. Find the sum of the distance traveled by their tips in 2 days. Find the sum of the distance traveled by their tips in 2 days. Clear or not? Find the sum of the distance. Find the sum of the distance traveled by the tips in 2 days. Okay. Take pi 22/7. Okay. Clear now? Question clear or not? Okay. In clock, there are short hand and long hand is there. Are you familiar? No? Okay. Hello. Listen now. My question. Come to the longhand. Hello. Listen all. Longhand. In one day, how many rotations? Longhand in one day, how many rotations? On 2. Okay. Okay. Good. 2. Megan, how many rotations? Longhand. I think you're not, because now you're all digital clock now, so you have no idea about how many hands, long hand and short hand, right? Right? Okay. Oh, Dilna, what an answer this one. Look, hey, long hand. Look at our clock. See the clock. You can see. No, you cannot see the clock. There's the clock. Look. Right? Okay. So look. So look at here. Long hand. My question: long hand in one day, how many rotations? Viveka. Viveka. Asma. Hey, those who have answered, just type it. Just for others, come on, others, a very big answer. Okay, Yashvi, Verona, already answered, and Nia. No, I didn't ask about the shorthand. I asked only longhand only. 720 times. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Look. Suppose here the clock here. Listen. Okay. 12 o'clock. 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay. Long hand. One, start from here. One rotation is over. Okay. One rotation over means suppose your class is over. Correct or no? Suppose now, look at here. Now 7, now 7, 10. Now 7, 10. One rotation over means 8, 10. So like that, in one day, how many rotations? 24 times. Correct or no? One day, 24 times. Clear now? Those who said answer 2, clear or not? Those who said 1440, right? Clear or not? In one rotations, suppose, see, look, this one rotation start from here and you reach here. So that means one rotation is 1 hour. Okay, in one day, 24 hours. So 24 rotations. Okay, so that means 2 days, how many rotations? 2 days, how many rotations? 48 rotations. Okay, now my question is, listen here. The question is the distance traveled by the tip. The tip, okay, in one rotation, listen here. In one rotation, how much distance traveled the tip? How will calculate? In one rotations, how to calculate the distance covered? Circumference. Correct or no? 2 pi r. Correct? The distance, don't write anything. I'll give the note. The distance covered by the tip in one rotation is 2 pi r. Therefore, in 48 rotations, 48 into 2 pi r. So 48 into 2 pi into r is shorter. Long hand is 6. So this is the distance covered by the long hand in 2 days. Okay, my question now, Ramsha, you answer it. Shorthand in one day, how many rotations? Shorthand in one day, how many rotations? 24. Okay. Shorthand, think about shorthand in one day, how many rotations? Listen. Shorthand, come on. Shorthand in one rotation means it is 12 hours. Correct or no? Who this guy every time is coming with and all fixed answer. 1440 rotation means 1440 divided by, I think your academic year is over. Okay, 1440 divided by 24. So that means 60 days, 2 months over. Now we are in this month is what? August, September. We are in October now. Okay, so look at here. That means in one day, 2 rotations. Clear now? In one day, two rotations. You're not familiar. I know. Maybe you're not your problem, this one, because you're not familiar now. The clock, got digital clock only. I saw you that clock, that is around 25 years old clock. That clock, you saw that clock. Hello, this clock. Okay, that 25 years old clock. When I start the class here, I bought. Still working. Okay, that's another thing. Okay. So now we don't want to see the clock. Okay, everything now. Listen, we don't want to buy alarm clock. You don't want to buy the watch, right? Correct or not? You don't want a telephone diary. Okay, I never use the watch because everything in a phone is there. Correct? So before anyone comes here, first buy an alarm clock. Okay, now alarm clock, no need. Watch is no need. Music system, music box, not required. Walkman and all, MP3 player not required. Right? Everything in phone. Okay, and a laptop, tab and all, everything in phone now only. Okay, so look at here. So that means come on. So that means the shorthand in one day, 2 rotations. Clear now? Because 1 rotation means 12 hours. 2 rotation means 1 day over. Okay, clear now? So that means 1440 means it is what I said is wrong. 1440 is divided by 2 is 720 days over. 1 year over. Who all said that 1440 rotation means 720 days. Yeah, 2 year over. Okay. So therefore 2 days, how much rotations? 2 days, how many rotations? 2 days, 4 rotations. So that means distance covered is 4 into 2 pi r into 2 pi into 4. 2 pi into 4. Okay, right. Now, then we have to add it. Okay, write the note. Right. This is star questions. Okay, even MCQs. Okay, one I discussed with 2 book publishers. Okay, hello. Today I discussed with 2 publishers in Delhi. They said 15th August they will publish books as per the new pattern, MCQ pattern and all. That time they will send to me. Okay. Okay. Right. In 2 days, the shorthand will complete 4 rounds. In 2 days, the shorthand will complete. In 2 days, shorthand will complete 4 rounds. In 2 days, the shorthand will complete 4 rounds. In 2 days, the shorthand will complete 4 rounds. Then, therefore, distance moved by its tip. Distance moved by its tip. Distance moved by its tip. 4 into 2 pi r. 4 into 2 pi r. That is 4 into 2 pi into r is shorthand. Shorthand is 4. Okay, that is 8 32 pi. Just keep it like that. 32 pi. 32 pi. 32 pi. Okay, next. In 2 days, longhand will complete. In 2 days, longhand will complete. Longhand will complete 48 rounds. 48 rounds. 48 rounds. Therefore, distance moved by its tip. Distance moved by its tip. Distance moved by its tip. Distance moved by its tip equal to 48 into 2 pi r. 48 into 2 into pi into 6. 48 into 2 into pi into 6. How much that? 576 pi. 576 pi. 576 pi. Okay, then totally find out. Both add and multiply by 22 by 7. Then total. Both add and multiply by 22 by 7. Okay, do fast. Okay. It's clear now? 910. Okay, good. Part, are you using calculator? Low path. Okay, because September onwards, school starting direct. September, most probably here, September onwards, maybe school will start. So you cannot use the calculator and all. Okay. Saudi already starting. Okay. Saudi already declared. But what about Hurwal in Safilia? When are you coming? People are start coming, no? You're still in India. Okay. They started today around 3,500 plus already entered. But not from India, some other place. Safilia, you got the vaccine? Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Here is they started giving. Okay. Yes. So what will do? Your parents there, then they can come along with the parents. Okay. So next question. Right. A chord AB. Right. A chord AB. A chord AB of a circle of radius. A circle of radius. A chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. A chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. a chord AB, a circle of radius 10 centimeters. Okay. Makes a right angle at the center of circle. Make a right angle at the center of the circle. Make a right angle at the center of the circle. Okay. Find the area of the find the area of okay, sorry, we'll write all together. Find one area of minor sector. Find one area of a minor sector. Area of minor sector. 2, area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. 3, area of major sector. Area of major sector. 4, area of major segment. Area of major segment. Once again, a chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter makes an angle, makes a right angle at the center. Makes a right angle at the center. Find one area of minor sector. Area, question number 1, area of minor sector. 2, area of minor segment. 3, area of major sector. 4, area of major segment. Area of major segment. Area of major segment. Okay, use pi 3.14. Use pi 3.14. Use pi 3.14. Okay. Segment. Okay, Freischner, I'll explain that. Okay. I don't have Freischner. Hello, Freischner. I don't have any formula for that. Then all I can give, Okay, I have one, but that is cannot use in class 10. That's why. Okay, we can make a ready-made formula. Understood now? For class 10, I don't have any formula for this. There is some books using some formulas, but we cannot use that here. Okay, look at here now. Hello, I'll find out one by one. Listen here. Question okay or not? Question clear or not? Verona. Question is what? A chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter makes a right angle at the center. Find one area of minor sector. This one. Area of minor segment. Segment. Area of major sector. Then area of major segment. Use pi 3.14. Okay, now look at here. One area of the sector. Okay, area of the sector, area of minor sector. So that is sector pi r square theta by 360. 3.14 into r is 10 into theta 90 divided by 360. Okay, 4. Okay, 4. We can cancel 5. 2 cancel 5. So 3.14 into 25. How much that? 3.14 into 25. That is 78.5. 78 point. Calculation you have to make sure. I'm not sure about 78.5 centimeters square. Okay. Now we got area of the sector we got. This area we got. Okay. This area what? 78.5 centimeters square. Clear or not? Okay, write that. Okay, everyone write that. Area of the sector, you finish it. Area of minor sector. This particular question, you should specify minor sector because you have to find out major also. Otherwise, sector means minor only. Okay. Wait, Kavani, listen, wait. Now we have to find out, that's correct. Now we have to find out area of the segment. Okay, listen here. As per our syllabus, as per CBSE book, we cannot follow any other formulas. That's the problem. Okay, you have limited that. Okay, so there is a direct formula. We cannot use that. That's the problem. Okay, look at area. My plan is you find out area of triangle AOB. Find the area of triangle AOB and minus it. Okay, write that. Right. Area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment. That means this part. Area of the minor segment equal to area of the major segment. Area of the major segment AOB. Area of the minor segment AOB. Area of the minor segment AOB minus area triangle AOB. Agree or not? Plan okay or not? Hello, plan okay or not? We find area of sector AOB minus area triangle. Is it okay? Freishner. Plan okay or not? Hello. Plan clear all? Anyone got doubt? Megan, is it okay? Mega. Nia, is it okay or not? Plan is we already found the area of the sector AOB. Now we'll find area triangle AOB. Okay, how we'll find out area triangle AOB? Okay, this angle 90 degree, right? This angle 90 is simple. Okay, area of triangle AOB equal to half into 10 into 10. Correct or no? Half base into height. Half base into height. So it is 50 centimeters square. Okay, then what? Subtract 78.5 minus 50, 28.5 centimeters square. Okay, write that. What you wrote? Area of the minor segment equal to area of the sector AOB minus area triangle AOB. Okay, then write. Because already sector with you. So then you just start area triangle AOB equal to half OA into OB, half base into height, half 10 into 10, that is 50 centimeters square. Okay, hence area of minor segment equal to 78.5 centimeters square minus 50 centimeters square. That is 28.5 centimeters square. Okay. Is these two okay or not? Is it okay or not? Now we found area of the area of minor segment, sorry, area of minor sector and major, area of minor sector and minor segment. Clear? Okay. Listen, if it is not specified the major one, that is only minor only. Okay, here now you finish area of minor sector, finish. Area of minor segment, finish. Okay, now third part, area of major sector. How will find out? Area of major sector, how will find out? Area of major sector means this one, right? This part. How will find out? Yeah, entire area minus sector, or we can find directly. Look at here, pi r square theta. Theta is what? 270. Simple enough, no? This angle 270. Simple, right? That is easiest way. That is the easiest way. Pi r square theta by 360. R is 10. Theta is 270. No need to by heart. No need to find the area circle. Correct or no? Right? Are you agree or not? It's up to you. Which one you feel easy, you do it. Or you find out area of the circle minus area of the sector. See, up to you. Okay, do that one. Okay. You find area of the major sector, find out. Okay, what is the answer? Two. Answer is 235. 235.5. Correct or not? Yeah, 235.5 centimeter square. 235.5 centimeter square. 235.5 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, complete first. Okay. Finish it first. Now one more you have to find out. Okay. Now, last part, what you'll find out. Third answer is third answer is 235.5. 235.5. Okay. Now last part is major segment. Major segment means this one. Okay, one method. Major sector plus triangle. Enough, no? Major sector plus triangle. Okay, those who did with the circle area, full circle area, that guys, full circle minus segment. Okay, do that one. Okay. No, Aditya, check answer. Okay. 288.5 centimeter square. 288.5 centimeter square. 288.5 centimeter square. Okay, I'll conclude the answer. First answer is 70. Listen all. First answer 78.5 centimeter square. Second one 28.5 centimeter square. Third one 238.5 centimeter square. Fourth one 285.5 centimeter square. 285.5 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, Safelia, we did I just brief the answers on. First we found area of the sector, that is 28.5 centimeter square. That's you got, right? Okay. Second one, area of the minor segment, area of triangle, area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of the triangle is half base into height, half 50 into, okay, half 50 into 50. So that is 25. So 78.5 minus 25. You do that. Okay, so once again, listen here. Those who have doubt, look at here. First, we found area of the minor sector, pi r square theta by 360. That we got 78.5 centimeter square. Next, our plan, finding the area of the minor segment. So that is area of the sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. Sector already with you. Area of triangle is half base into height. We got 50. So 78 minus 78.5 minus 50, 28.5 centimeter square. Safil, clear that? Okay. After that, third part, we want area of the major segment. Area of major sector. Major sector means this one. Okay, Safil, listen here. So that one I am using, angle is 270. Angle is 270. So pi r square theta by 360, theta equal to 270. Safil, clear now how we got 270? Because total is 360, 90 already here, that is 270. Okay. After that, the fourth part, area of the major segment. That means this full. That means sector plus triangle. Sector plus triangle. Okay. I'll wait. Complete first. Because next question, same way only. Okay, so finish. Next question. Next one. So clear now. Safil, have finished or not? We'll start next question. Okay. Okay. So next one. Right. Okay. A chord AB of a circle. A chord. Next question. A chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Okay. Makes an angle of 60 degree. Makes an angle of 60 degree at the center. A chord AB of a circle of radius. A chord AB. A chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter makes an angle of 60 degree. Makes an angle of 60 degree at the center circle. At the center of the circle. At the center, a chord AB of a circle of radius 14 centimeter makes an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. At the center of the circle. Find the area of the minor segment. Find the area of the minor segment. Find the area of the minor segment of the circle. Find the area of the minor segment of the circle. Use pi 22 by 7. Use pi 22 by 7. Root 3, 1.73. Root 3, 1.732. Root 3 value, if it is required, I'm just giving. Root 3 value 1.732. Okay, try this question. Only changes radius is 14. Angle is 60 degree. You have to find, not need to find all. Only you have to find minor segment only. Only minor segment. Do it fast. Angle is 60 degree. Angle 60 degree. Aksha, 60 degree. Okay. Okay, getting okay. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I don't know. Let me check. Okay. Wait, wait, wait. Yes. Okay, it's coming correct. How we got others? The area of triangle. How we got others? Area of triangle. How we got? Yes. Okay. Good. Look at here. This one. A O B. Okay. 14, 60. Okay. As usual, you find area of a sector. Pi r square theta by 360. 22 by 7 into r is 14 into 14 into 60 divided by 360. 6 cancel, 7 cancel, 2 cancel, 3. Okay. So how much you got that? 22. How much you got that? 22 into 2 into 14 divided by 3. How much? 205. No, this one. 22 into 2. How much this got? Area of sector, how much you got? 22 into 2 into 14. Okay, divided by 3. 205. Hey, how much you got? 22 by Nia. How much you got this? 102? Sure, no? 102.6. Okay. Area of the sector. Pi r square. R into r square into 60 by 360. Okay. After that. Okay, 6. Okay, that's not doesn't matter. Okay. After that, area, look at here. This one equal to this one. So this angle and this angle equal. So this is 60, 60. Agree or not? That part okay or not? Because if it is angle, if the it is an isosceles triangle, OA equal to OB. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Those who are doubt, listen. In triangle AOB, OA equal to OB, radius. Therefore, angle A equal to angle B, angle opposite equal sides are equal. So 60 each. Then area of triangle AOB, root 3 by 4, A square. So 1.732 into 14 into 14 divided by 4. You calculate that. Then subtract it. Answer is, you said already 17 point something. Answer is 17 point something. Okay. Finish it fast. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So next question. Vidya, finish? Okay, so next one, a chord 10 centimeter long, a chord 10 centimeter long, a chord 10 centimeter long, a chord 10 centimeter long is drawn to a circle, whose radius is 5 root 2, whose radius is 5 root 2, whose radius is 5 root 2, whose radius is 5 root 2. Find the area of both segment. Find the area of both segment. By 3.14. Find the area of both segment. Okay. Find the area. Radius is 5 root 2. Chord is 10. Question. A chord 10 centimeter long, mega. A chord 10 centimeter long, a chord 10 centimeter long is drawn in a circle whose radius is 5 root 2. Find the area of both segments. Find the area of both segments. Find the area of both segments. Clear now? Okay. So find first. Anybody got this one? Hello. Anybody got? Simple. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of sector, I don't know if how much you got. How much you got? Tell me. What is the angle you got? No. Angle, how much you got? First tell me that. How much you got angle? Others. Yes. Kavani, correct. Others, correct. Angle is, look at here, Nia, you got the angle. Because this is 5 root 2. Okay. Look at here, OA square plus OB square equal to what? 5 root 2 whole square plus 5 root 2 whole square. 50 plus 50 equal to 100. That is equal to AB square. Therefore, it's a right triangle, 90. It's 90. Angle is 90 degree. You got that? Okay, now we can find out easily. You find out area of the sector minus area of the triangle, like previous question. Okay. Complete. You'll get minor is 14.25. Minor segment 14.2.5. Major is 142.75. 142.75. Okay, complete fast. Okay, finish. So this is enough today. So next class will continue if I had all the formulas. Okay. This is enough today.